Hey, good morning, Don here. Reporting to you live from Tampa, Florida. All right. Got a few more guys watching the channel yesterday. But let's leave some comments, okay, guys? You know, tell me about your day. Tell me what you think about the channel. You know, say something, will you? All right, this is just going to be a light wash. Look at this fence here, and we'll get these lesions off. We'll hit this here like we always do. What we're looking at here is some algae growth. Hey, look at that. I think it's moss. We got lesions, we got moss, we got algae. It's the whole family. We'll start back here. We'll get this washed off back here. Start right here. See that mold and stuff up there? They got plants and stuff growing in there. Crazy. This place is just up for sale, so we're just doing a quick wash. No big deal. Let's get after it. All right, we got an SH all the way from the back. The fence is coming nice and clean. Now we're gonna head down this side, which I was able to hit that standing right here. That's how small this house is. See all that sticky icky? We'll go ahead and put a little bit more in these areas here. Then we'll be back here. Get this porch inside there, all that cleaned up. The doors were black, now they look really nice. All right, so we'll be coming back this way. Let's get after it. Very fast job. All right, let's have a look. Look at that fence. We'll rinse it off. It was all black algae on there, green all over that. The porch was definitely a mess. It's cleaning up a little bit. You just need to get somebody to get these ferns the hell out of the gutter there. It's crazy what people let happen to their homes, you know. I think this is the gentleman's parents. They passed away, so he's just gonna fix it up and sell it. So when you're elderly, I guess that happens, right? But this is a mess in here as well. Ceiling's coming a little better. Like I said, the door was black. It had this kind of stuff on it right here. Anyway, this is cleaning up nice. You can see through the screens. Some of this is cleaning up just by getting SH on it. He said not to worry about anything. All right, now you know what we're gonna do now, right? We're gonna do the satisfying rinse, and then we'll do a review, and then we'll be on our way to Ameritech to go see what the boys are doing today. Let's get after it. Check that out. Hasn't been that clean in years. All right, now we're gonna work our way around. The fence came out real nice. Looks new again. Everything is rinsed off on this side. Now we're gonna go across the front, down the side, reel it into the truck, and we're out of here. Very simple, simple, simple. And this guy knows I'm a drummer, knows I like rock and roll. So what does he do? He gives me a cool picture of the Rush band when they were young. You know, like when Neil Peart had really long hair and stuff. Pretty cool, man. People are always thinking about you and stuff. I think we've seen enough of this. All we gotta do is rinse it. You already know how it's gonna come out. And we'll see you guys at Ameritech, all right? Then we have a new customers in a mobile home park. We'll see what's happening there. And then he also wants me to look at his roof while I'm there. So let's going to be a very profitable day. I'm going to pick up some supplies, and they're going to maintenance that machine over there that's leaking oil out of it somehow. Probably just too full. Anyway, I'm Don. Let's get after it. Hey, job number 2. Finally, after spending the whole day at Ameritech. Repairs, and maintenance. And I got out of there for under 1,000. Woohoo! Batting good today. And the battery's running low. We'll be right back. Alright, here we are. We're going to be doing this mobile home. It's not that bad. It's not as bad as that one over there. That's a mean greenie over there. And I guess they're going to be sending out notices soon, so let's see if we pick up any work out here. It's a little higher price to come out this way. We're going to start in the back, work our way around all the way that way. Then we'll rinse our way all the way back around, and then we'll get this driveway done. See that algae and mold up there? Come around the back here. We're going to start right there. Work our way this way. It's all algae up there on the fascia boards. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. The green's dissipating off of there. Got some black, brown stuff there. We'll let it dwell while we're going around the other side. Get everything SH'd. The sidewalk's all SH'd up real nice. And we'll come around this other side. Get after this driveway. And all the way down this side over here. All right, let's get after it, shall we? right, we got our SH all the way around. You can see it's starting to turn a little orange right there. See there on the end. And there's black stuff all down the side there. Got some green lesions right up on that drip edge right there. We'll let it dwell a little bit, and then we'll take the wash jet tip and get after it. Should take all that off of there. All right, I'm done. Now it's time for the satisfying rinse. Then we'll get after this concrete. Let's get after it. All right, let's take a walk around before we get the driveway done. All that stuff up there, gone. Now, if you notice, I walked around with the pump up sprayer. Look how nice and white it was getting this up there. There was some tough black algae all the way around the whole mobile. It's all gone off of there. And when you see a fascia board like that, that's wood, so, and it's painted, so you don't want to take the wash jet tip to that. All this was all dirty back here. Looks nice and clean now. Everything's good. All the algae on the bottom's gone. All that's nice and clean. Around the AC's clean. Got a little bit more rinsing to do. We'll do that with the ball valve when we get the cement rinsed off. It's a fairly fast job. I guess the guy that watches my YouTube channel, he's on the way home, but I haven't seen him. Hopefully he gets here before I get done. We're gonna chit chat a little bit. He's gonna start his own business, so I'll give him a couple helpful tips to get him going. And Ameritech's gonna build his rig. All right, let's get after this driveway. 10 gallons a minute, knock it out in minutes. Let's go. It's just that easy. Boom. All right, let's do the satisfying rinse.
Rock top the footway on a Friday night. The landscapes are fine and natural sight.
All right, here we go. We picked up the neighbor. This one came out good. That's E over there. He's going to be learning how to do this stuff. This one here, I put a little smiley face on this one. It is dirty, dirty, dirty. Look at that. Hell nasty. Phew. Look how clean that one is. Oh, look at that. We'll make short work of it though. It'll come right off. All right, let's get after it. I love these.
Just moving slow through the dark old night. Precious embrace, everything's alright. Good God Almighty, we was going down slow. Yeah, we knew just where we had to go. I'm just a crying down a put out road. Precious and great.
All right, let's have a look. It's going to dwell. Doesn't sit here. It'll go around the other side. This stuff will come right off. You wouldn't think it's going to come off, but it's going to come off. Because I said so. We already got the front here done. She just went down to go grab me some more money. This side will be easy peasy. We'll go ahead and get down the side here. Get after that. Then we'll be rinsing this down the side, and then we'll be done. All right, let's get after it.
Grace in my path before.
All right, we got this side all SH'd over here. This is not too bad of a side. The other side is dwelling really nice. So now we'll get after the satisfying rinse. Let's get after that and head back to St. Spring Hill. Let's get after it.
You need that supernatural delight. I know somebody that can treat you right. Precious and grace, everything's alright.
All right, there you have it. Downstream that sucker, and it looks good with a little bit of pump up, and it's another job well done. All right, I'm Don from Supervised Pressure Washing. We'll see you tomorrow. Remember, get after it.